Video I am showing you how you can record a screen in Redmi 8 Adule. So firstly what you need to do is you have to go to the tool folder and then open the screen recorder, and here you can see the screen recorder button. So click on the screen recorder button in the bottom right corner, and when you click on this then you can see this record button. Click on this red start button to start recording, and now it is recording. So here you can see it is start recording, so you can record anything that you want. So that's it. And after recording, if you want to close this recorder or stop this recording, click on the red record button, and now it is now recorded, and now it is stop. So to cancel this record button, or to you have to simply click on the cut button in the right side of this record button, and now it is removed. So to see your screen recorded video, simply open the screen recorder, and here you can find your recorded video. So that's it at how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.